Oh, you've not started. Have you started now? Hi, beautiful people. This is Ultra Pink Beauty. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, it's always a pleasure to have you here. If you're a new subscriber, I'm sorry. If you're a new, okay, wait. Hi, beautiful people. You're welcome back to Ultra Pink Beauty YouTube channel. No, that didn't say. Why is everybody looking at me? Oh yeah, stop me. Let's start again. Hi guys, welcome back to Ultra Pink Beauty YouTube channel. It's a good day. I always say it's a good day. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining and everyone is happy. I'm happy and I'm hoping you're happy as well. If it's your first time of being here, you're welcome and I'm hoping you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video and share with your family and friends to also like, subscribe and subscribe. Alright, so today we're going to be doing something beautiful. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how I created this look that I have on right now. I hope you can see that I'm looking beautiful. It's actually a subtle look that, you know, I'm all about subtle looks and nude look, okay? And we're not just going to be doing makeup, we're going to be chit-chatting about how to handle dramatic clients. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you have your time, please stick around. I'm sure you're going to learn one or two things from this video. Clients, you know, we have a lot of dramatic clients. How do you handle the people that will come to your studio holding the phone like this and telling you that they want exact makeup that they, you know, that they screenshot, like they screenshotted from Beyonce's page on Instagram? How do you handle that kind of client? Do you actually give them the exact look that they brought to you, that is showing right there on the screen? Do you actually give them? And if you don't, do they, you know, how do you handle them? How does it turn out with you and them? How do you handle the drama between you both at the end of the makeup? This and more is what we're going to be talking about today on this episode. So you might want to stick around because I know you're going to definitely learn a thing or two from
to my mouth, yeah.
Next up, I'm applying my primer. when you're done, you use your beauty blender to dab the top of the blush contour. This will absorb the excess color you have on your cheek and give it a more flawless and natural look. It's my Nuban Beauty Concealer. Kind of clients that are very, very well dramatic. Oh my god, have I ever have to deal with that kind of clients? Dramatic. Yes. I just remember. God. There are some clients that they never feel satisfied with whatever you put on their face. They are those ones that are called the dramatic one. They always want to tell you everything to do. This is how you. In fact, before you even start the makeup, they already know how they want their brows. Some of them will even come, go as far as bringing a picture of the kind of brows they want. Like they don't have patience to want to wait for you to be done to see if you're actually getting it or no. Once you start sketching your brows, they're already looking at what you are doing and they'll be like, no, it's not like that. I'm telling you, this is the picture. This is how I want it to look. So apart from the brows, there are other things like how they want the makeup to look, subtle makeup, dramatic makeup, eyeshadow kind of makeup. They have forgotten that they are bringing pictures to. I'm not the one that did the makeup. So if you want me to do makeup for you and you want to copy what's on the picture, why can't you go to my page and get a picture of what's on my page? So that way I know that, oh, I'm the one that did that makeup, so I know exactly what to do. It's not fair on the makeup artist, but somehow we still manage to deal with it, because sometimes it is difficult to actually meet their expectation because they have a prepared mind. You know how it is in our makeup industry. Most makeup artists, they have their pictures edited. It doesn't, like, sometimes the picture you are bringing is not exactly how the makeup looks. So if at the end of the day the makeup does not look like that, they'll be like, they are usually very angry and they want to put it out there, like put it all on you, put all their anger on you and your frustration on you. Those kind of clients, you know what I call those kind of clients? They are the Igbo clients and the Yoruba clients. You know why? The Igbos and the Yoruba clients, you guys don't do makeup regularly. So anytime you want to do makeup, like once in a while, maybe for an event, probably like once in a year, that's when you do makeup. That's when they do makeup. So whenever they want to do makeup, they want that makeup to do like that kind of Nicki Minaj kind of makeup. That's how they want that makeup to do like. So they always take their time to go on the internet to look for picture. You like a flawless, they'll be like, this is what I want. This is what I want. That will be like. So they are that. The Igbo client will not pay you. That's what I was trying to say. They are the ones that will price you. They are like they price you down from 100% to like below 50%. And yet they're the ones that give you the most trouble. Always very dramatic. They have a prepared mind. They want their makeup to look like that of Nicki Minaj. They want you to change their face completely. And I think one thing that you should know if you are that category of a client is that every makeup artist have their ways. Me, I do subtle makeup most of the time. I am more of a subtle makeup kind of person. So any client that comes to me should know that you're in for a subtle makeup. If you bring a makeup that changes your face, I might not do that for you. I think how you deal with those kind of dramatic clients is that you just have to learn to be patient most of the time. Everything about makeup is all about being patient. So if you're a makeup artist and you're not humble, I don't know. You will still get clients, because I know that somebody said, or some people are of the belief that you should know your worth and put a price on yourself. Okay, I don't know if you're in that kind of category. I'm talking to the young makeup artists now, the young and the aspiring makeup artists who want to build a career in the makeup industry. I think the first thing you have to do is to learn to humble yourself, because you know what they say, all clients always right. Most clients will look at you and think you're a servant. I actually have a video where I talk about the challenges that makeup artists face, and I also talk about the fact that people will look at you and think that you're a servant. Like I said in the beginning, you can ignore all of that and take all the bullshit and act like, oh, okay, you're actually a servant, because you know what you want. But so it's a smoky eyes for me. I'm doing orange smoky eyes. Darker shade of powder. I usually like this powder to do the contour. This will give you like an orange look kind of contour, not like a dark black pattern. So it's big gold color too. Of course, it works across the dark person. Even for a dark person, you can use the color blue. Because I like it because it has a yellow tone, a very deep yellow tone. How do you even find somebody that actually has the shade? So like that, just for the sake of contour. And let me just straighten my hair. Like they literally want to turn you to a servant, but that's it. That's what we do. Makeup artists. Some of us are servants until you have attained some level that you no longer, give room for that kind of thing. But I feel like some people just overdo it. They just want to make it look like they just want to subdue you. I don't know. They do it purposely, like seriously. But sometimes I do not see the reason why, if the dress she's wearing is too much, it's too tight and she's not able to buckle her shoe, you will know that though she cannot do it. So you can do it. It's not a big deal. But some no, these babes, these girls with their nails like this, they just want you to do everything with them. Like I don't get. Drama is too much, too much of drama. But at the end of the day, though, we are always looking out to having more clients and always looking forward to having them back again. So most time you just try to humble yourself and do what you need to do. You understand? So that the person just goes out of your studio, or you're able to leave if it's a home service, you could leave their house and all of us are smiling. She pays your money and she's smiling. So that way she can call you next time when she has a job. It means that, oh, okay, you delivered. You are not proud. Because some people see some makeup artists as being proud. So, but you can be proud though. I'm not saying that you should, turn yourself to a servant, but do it to some level that you can do it to some level that you are still able to maintain your standards and retain your self-worth. I've talked about self-worth like severally. Don't let anybody talk down on you. Don't let anybody make you feel like you are less of a person.